Welcome back to Power Haul. Today we are reviewing the most powerful tractor in the world, the 2025 Big Bud 16V-747. Known for its sheer size and unmatched capability, this tractor has been re-engineered for modern farming with a bold design, updated performance, and advanced interior features. Let's take a closer look at it through different angles and explore why the Big Bud 16V-747 still dominates as a global powerhouse in agricultural machinery. Looking at the front view, the 2025 Big Bud 16V-747 makes an immediate statement. Its massive grille dominates the design, flanked by powerful headlights and a towering structure that shows just how large this machine really is. The front profile emphasizes strength and durability, while the bold red and white color combination gives it a commanding yet modern appeal. Standing in front of this tractor, one instantly feels the raw power it holds, designed to handle the toughest terrains and heaviest workloads. The showroom lighting highlights every curve and detail, showcasing engineering at its finest. From the back view, the tractor reveals its heavy-duty build designed for field dominance. The enormous rear wheels sit firmly, ready to grip any soil type with unmatched stability. The hitch system is clearly visible, highlighting its capability to handle large agricultural implements with ease. Strong rear lighting provides safety and visibility for nighttime work. Every detail in the back view demonstrates how this machine was built for function, not just form. The clean showroom background gives full attention to the size and mechanics of the tractor, showing the unmatched strength of the world's most powerful tractor. Moving to the side view, the length and overall scale of the Big Bud 16V-747 becomes clear. Its gigantic wheels, stretching taller than most people, define its commanding presence. The long body emphasizes how this tractor is built not just for size, but for balance and distribution of power. The detailed engine compartment and structural design show that this machine is built to run tirelessly on massive farmlands. With a simple showroom background, the side profile highlights its impressive stance, giving a true appreciation of how engineering and power come together in one remarkable tractor. Taking a closer look at the angled exterior view, we see the tractor in its most iconic stance. Captured from the front side 45-degree angle, the bold grille, towering tires, and spacious cabin all come into view at once. This angle highlights the proportions and symmetry of the tractor, balancing power with style. The glossy red and white paint reflects under professional lighting, adding a touch of elegance to raw agricultural strength. It is in this view that the tractor feels alive, like a beast ready to take on the fields with unparalleled dominance and efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Big Bud 16V-747 takes things to a new level of comfort and technology. The interior reveals a modern steering wheel, touchscreen control panels, and ergonomic leather seating. Digital displays provide farmers with real-time performance data, fuel monitoring, and precision control for heavy-duty tasks. The spacious cabin is designed to reduce fatigue during long hours of work, while offering excellent visibility across massive fields. This interior blends comfort and control, proving that even the most powerful tractor in the world values operator experience just as much as strength and productivity. Finally, the straight front close-up view delivers the finishing impression of power and authority. The enormous tires dominate the frame, showing just how much ground clearance and grip this machine offers. The grille, with its bold structure, emphasizes durability, while the headlights stand ready to light up the darkest farming conditions. The red and white contrast comes alive in this close-up, giving the tractor a professional yet aggressive appearance. In this angle, there is no doubt left that the 2025 Big Bud 16V-747 is not only the most powerful tractor in the world, but also a symbol of unmatched engineering and agricultural strength.